Namaste. Let's talk Montessori. Today, let's talk about how to make envelopes for keeping the flashcards. Ready-made envelopes are available in the market in variety of materials like jute, plastic, cloth, etc. The main issue with these envelopes is that they are not suitable for the flashcards, not suitable for the size of the flashcards we make, and they are expensive. We can make a beautiful envelopes at home using the KG cardboard. The materials needed for making these envelopes is KG cardboard. So these KG cardboards are available in any stationery shop. There are 4-5 colors are available: light green, light blue, light pink, yellow and white. And we need a paper cutter. This is the paper cutter. And we need a metal scale. Metal scale is very important, and avoid using a plastic scale and invest on a metal scale. And we need a black pen and a pencil. And while cutting, you may use a glass sheet, a normal glass sheet which is 6 mm or 8 mm thickness. It protects your surface, any surface, your floor or your table, without when you cut the paper. And a kg cardboard should not be very thin. Thin kg cardboards make very flimsy envelopes, and thick kg cardboards break at the folds. So the kg cardboard should not be too thick or too thin. Any medium thickness kg cardboards will do. Cut a kg cardboard of 36 centimeter by 24 centimeter, and measure 4 centimeter from bottom and measure 4 centimeter from top, and fold the fold on both sides and fold on right side also. Then fold into half. Fold into half. So you have your envelope is ready. So we are going to fold 4 centimeter on top, 4 centimeter on bottom, and 4 centimeter on right hand side. So the remaining part you are going to fold it into half. So this envelope will be 16 by 16. So we are going to keep 14 centimeter by 14 centimeter cards inside this envelope. So 14 centimeter by 14 centimeter, all around we have 2 centimeter gap. And on this envelope, stick a small sample picture. So if you are going to keep wild animals in this envelope, we need to stick a small sample animal. So wild animal, if you are going to have wild animal, it could be any sample wild animal. It could be tiger or elephant or fox or lion, anything, but it should be smaller than what you usually paste on flashcards. So it denotes what is going to be inside this envelope. And after that, we are going to write the title below the picture. So the title could be wild animals, or it could be pet animals, or it could be flowers, or it could be whatever you keep in the envelope. The title of what is going to be in the envelope we are going to write below the picture. And then the series, some code we are going to write. So if it is wild animal, you can have a code WA also, or you can write A1, A2, A3, A4, because there are many animals. Sea animals, we have pet animals, there are domestic animals, water animals. There are many folders of animals. So you can easily name A1, A2, A3, or you can have DA, WA, PA. whatever code you decide to have, you can have that code here on the right top corner. So the code helps you in sorting out the cards whenever the cards mixed up. So we are going to write the code on the right top corner. Then once the complete envelope is ready, it looks like this finished envelope. So it has the picture, the sample picture of what is going to be in the envelope, and it has the code number and it has the title. So after that, we are going to keep some flashcards in the envelope. So this is a small envelope and we cannot keep more than 8 to 10 flashcards. So whatever number of flashcards you keep, we are going to write here the number of flashcards. So the number of flashcards will be here, this part. Okay. So here we are going to write the number of flashcards. So this number will tell how many cards should be there in this envelope. So if there are 10 cards and if there are 10 written here and if there are only 8 cards, then we can search for other 2 cards. And it is 10 written and there are 12 cards, then we have to find out why those 2 cards extra. Maybe some other envelope has lesser cards. So we can replace those 2 extra cards. So this is a check or control of error. And this is very simple way, very easy to make envelope, and even children can make this kind of envelope. And this age of children, that is 3 to 6 year children, love to learn names. So we have lots of flashcards. Because we have lots of flashcards, we have to make lots of envelopes, and it is easy and it is less time consuming. So it is the best way to make envelopes in Montessori classroom. Thank you for listening to me. Happy parenting. Good day.